Hey, Zach here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the front end of your Shopify store. So if you're logged in here, you'll probably want to click on sales channels first and then get to online store. Sometimes it's not automatically pulled up like it is here. We're going to go here into the theme customizer, click edit theme. And then this is where we're going to change everything. Now, this could turn into a really long tutorial. Like I could sit here and talk about this for an hour or two, but we're just going to go over the basics today. So if you see here, we're on the home page. So we're going to be editing any kind of thing that's on the home page. So for example, if I want to change out this banner image that's up here, all you got to do is click on it. And then you should see this stuff pop up here on the left. You could edit the image. So click on this and you could do something, if you want to crop it or whatever you want to do. Or you can just click on change here and you can select from the library like this, images that you already have in the store, or you can add files from your computer. Or you could generate an image. We have that now. That's really new. That appeared sometime last year. So that's changing images. It's pretty much the same for other places. Just if you see something here that you want to change, just click on it, and it should allow you to edit. So back up to this top section. You want to change the text. Same thing. Click on it, and you can see here the text is here. You just replace it with whatever you want. And if you made a mistake, you did something weird, there's an undo button up here. It's pretty handy. So you just click undo and undo again. And there it is. So I had to click undo 2 times that time. And if something happens and you just mess it up completely, just exit out of here and don't save the changes. You can just run away from it all. But anyway, another point to mention, if you do change something, like if I go here and remove a letter, you do have to save. You gotta click that save button. Just make sure you do that. So let's see. It is doing that as a change. So I'm going to show you an example of running away. We click the exit button, leave with unsaved changes. Yes, leave page if I messed everything up. So let's go back in there. Some of these things are what we call dynamic. So for example, this featured collection area, if I click on this, these images might not be able to change. It depends on, let's see, we can change this one. See, if you click on here, there's nowhere to change the image. That might be confusing, but that's because these are coming from a collection. So there are a few different things we could do. We could go back here. I'm just going to click again and make sure I'm clicking on the whole section. If you see, if I were to click here, then that's the title. So I'm just moving my mouse. That's the whole header section you can see is highlighted. Move the mouse again. There, now I'm hovering over that whole section. So click on there. These images are coming from this collection. So you could replace it, change it to a different collection, create a new collection. Yeah, so if I were to change to a different collection, then it's going to pull up all those products that are in that collection. So yeah, sometimes you can't directly change these images. The images are coming from somewhere else. Let's say we want to move some of these sections around. Maybe we want to put this countdown timer up at the very top of the page. It's really easy. All these sections are on the left side here. So I'm looking for this countdown timer is inside of a custom section. If you see that being highlighted, So we can actually, if you click down on this and drag it, you can just drag and drop this up here, and we could move it anywhere. I mean, you could move it up to the very top of the page if you want to, just like that. Of course, we wouldn't want to do that, but it's as easy as that, just moving things around. So if you get in here and just, start clicking around, you'll catch on to it really quickly. And let's say if you want to add a section, well, you can click this button down here, add a section, and there's all kinds of different sections here that we can add. So something like this scrolling text section, click that, and there you go. You've got a new scrolling text section. If that wasn't where you wanted it, you just go to the left here and just drag and drop it wherever you want. Just move it anywhere. Put it right here, for example. Now it's up there. Okay, so that was a very basic overview of what you can do. I mean, we're only scratching on the surface, but that is enough to get you pretty far just with what we did right here in this video. You can change a lot of things. One last thing I'll leave you with: if you wanted to adjust other pages, then you click up here on homepage, and let's say we want to change the product page. So we just click on products, and there's a product template is what this is called. So we click on there, and now we're here editing the product page. Any other page on the website, it's exactly the same way. So hope that helps, and if you need extra help, just let me know. I'm always here every day working on Shopify stores, and I will see you in the next one.